guys, what's up? This is Devyani Gautam and I welcome you to Let's Crack Foundation and NTSE by Unacademy. Herein we guys are discussing our very own class 10th concepts with the help of Menti, जिससे कि आपके सभी concepts आज और clear हो जाएंगे. And it's your turn to answer and my questions, right? So you guys, I hope you all are ready. This is me, Devyani Gautam, and like always, I have got some amazing questions for you. Chaliye, let's get started. So this is the Menti code for you guys. It is 98590062. So आप इतनी देर में enter the code and be there till the time I'm presenting. So the code is 98590062. Right? So you guys can join our Telegram channel as well. So in addition to YouTube and Unacademy, you guys can follow us and join us on the Telegram. It's gonna be super informative for you guys. Hi Anshul, good evening बच्चे. Then it's gonna be super informative. आप लोगों को सभी चीजों में बहुत ही amazing information मिल जाएगी कि कौन सा session कब है, which video is coming when, right? So we've got all the things lined up there. उसके बाद you guys can, we guys invite you to Unacademy because there are a lot of benefits that are waiting for you guys. There are live classes, there are weekly tests, there is unlimited access to live and recorded sessions. Then there is structured courses which is designed specially for you guys and your target exams. सभी को ध्यान में रखते हुए I need to तो सभी चीजों को ध्यान में रखते हुए आपके कोर्सेज को फॉर्मुलेट किया गया है जिससे कि आपका कोई भी टॉपिक मिस ना हो. यू गाइस प्रिपेयर अमेजिंगली वेल. इन सभी बेनिफिट्स को एंजॉय करने के लिए आपको सिर्फ सब्सक्राइब करना है. And for subscription, you can use my name as a referral code. You will get to your subscription at just rupees 19,950, and you will get 1 year of subscription at just rupees 16,625 by using my name as a referral code. Right? So further in, when you get yourself subscribed, आप लोगों के आगे आएंगे batches. जिस भी batch से आपके objectives match कर रहे हैं, you guys can very well join this. And this is to inform you guys that from today, that is 31st of March, there has been a batch started for the beginners. So this is the beginners batch for complete course on NTSE for class 9th. These are our very own top educators there. Then we have another batch for the achievers category, achievers batch for complete course on NTSE class 10. So these batches have started today. Get yourself subscribed, enrolled, and enjoy all the features for these batches, right? Furthermore, you guys can enjoy the feature of Ask It Out by Unacademy, which is gonna get you to a platform wherein you guys can send your doubts, click pictures of your doubts, and send to us, and you can get your solutions. बस आपको कुछ चीजों का कुछ पॉइंट्स का ध्यान रखना है, which are that do not by any case send multiple doubts in a single image. एक इमेज के लिए एक ही डाउट भेजिए. उसके बाद सभी ऑप्शंस, अगर एमसीक्यू है, सभी ऑप्शंस काफी अच्छे से कैप्चर्ड हो, क्लियर इमेजेस हो, ब्लर इमेजेस ना हो. And the most important thing, that this feature is on the Unacademy Android app only, right? Then on the Unacademy channel, you guys can follow me. My username is Devyani_21. We've got special classes for you guys, and we have got plus class courses. So everything is waiting for you, right? Then we have this Menti today. The code is 98590062. So waiting for you there. फटाफट से join कीजिए. The code to the Menti is 98590062. So yeah, we'll start it. The code is 98590062. Just a minute or two more. लोग हमें ज्वाइन कर लें, उसके बाद हम बिल्कुल स्टार्ट करते हैं फटाफट. Nice. Hi Rohit, what's up? चलो फटाफट से ज्वाइन करो. The code is 98590062. चले इससे हम लोग स्टार्ट करें, then people will join us, right? Shall we start? चलो, first question for you guys. All the very best. In a chemical reaction between sulphuric acid and barium chloride solution, the white precipitate formed are of hydrochloric acid, barium sulfate, chlorine, or hydrogen. So BaCl2 and H2SO4, whenever they react together, which white precipitate is formed? So very good, four of you guys, absolutely बच्चे. बेरियम क्लोराइड का रिएक्शन चाहे सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के साथ हो, सोडियम सल्फेट के साथ हो, with anything, the precipitate formed is of barium salt. ठीक है, चलिए. Very good, Anshul, Isro, Lavanya and Simba. Very nice. Anshul, the fastest answerer. Amazing. And Shubhang, all the best. Chalo, next question. The electronic configuration of M is 284. In the modern periodic table, the element M is placed in fourth group, third group, 14th group या 7th group. कौन सी ग्रुप में आपका एलिमेंट M प्रेजेंट होगा if the electronic configuration is 284? वेरी गुड. सो 5 बच्चों ने बिल्कुल सही आंसर दिया. इट इज गोइंग टू बी 14th ग्रुप. अब हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि 4th ग्रुप है या 14th ग्रुप? तो बच्चे, व्हाट्स द सीन हियर इज दैट द कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इज 284. 3 शेल्स है, मतलब इट इज अ थर्ड पीरियड एलिमेंट. एंड थर्ड पीरियड में देयर इज द नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप्स आर जस्ट 8, राइट? सो इसीलिए इट इज गोइंग टू बी फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड 13 to 18 ग्रुप्स. तो तभी ये होगा 14th ग्रुप एलिमेंट. 5 बच्चों ने बिल्कुल सही आंसर दिया. वेरी गुड, अमेजिंग, नाइस. And the fastest answerers are Divisht and Shubhant. Amazing. And Divisht is on the second now. Very good. So we have Anshul, Divisht, Lavanya, Isro, Shubhant. Very nice. And Puffy, all the best. Chaliye, next question. Ready? Third. Hi Tanishka, the code is 98590062. Some fruits like mango, lemon, raw grapes, orange, etc. are sour because of citric acid. All these are your citrus fruits and they are rich in citric acid. They are the natural source of citric acid, right? Sure, very good. So we have the fastest answerer, Divisht and Himanshu. Amazing, yeah? Anshul on the first, then we have Divisht, then we have Isro, then we have Shubhang, Lavanya and Himanshu. बहुत बढ़िया. चलो, next. Fourth question. The I.U.P.A.C name of this compound is butane, pent-1-ene, but-3-ene or but-1-ene. So what is the I.U.P.A.C name of the compound? What is the I.U.P.A.C name of the compound? All right, time's about to be up. Very good, guys. So, bache, it is just a 4-carbon compound. It is going to be but chain and 1 hoga because we start numbering from the place where this double bond will be nearest. So 5 of you guys, absolutely correct answer here. Very good. So this question was pretty time taking, huh? Himanshu, the fastest. Very good. And Divisht is on first now. And Anshul is closely following. Amazing. So then we have Shubhank, Isro, Lavanya, and Himanshu. Very good. And Clippy, all the best. Chaliye, fifth question. Which of the following is the correct order of atomic radii of the elements oxygen, fluorine, and nitrogen? बहुत आराम से कीजिए. Which is the correct order of atomic radii of elements oxygen, fluorine, and nitrogen? Very good. So it's a trend, I guess. जितने जने आंसर कर रहे हैं उसमें से एक गलत है, बाकी सब सही. Very good, guys. It is fluorine with the lowest size, smallest size. Then we have oxygen, and the largest will be nitrogen. Because when you go across the period from left to right, then what will happen? That your atomic size decreases, right? So halogens will be the smallest in size. Very good. And the fastest answerer is Divisht again. Very good. So we have Divisht, Shubhank, Anshul, Isro, Lavanya, Himanshu. Very good. And all the best, Tanishka. Absolutely. Chale, sixth question. Which of the following pairs of reactants will undergo a displacement reaction? So of these, displacement reaction किस में होगा? Will copper sulfate be displaced by iron, zinc sulfate by iron, magnesium sulfate by iron, or calcium sulfate by iron? Which of the salt will be displaced by the element that is placed with it? बताइए. Very good. So this answer is amazing. Yes, सभी बच्चों ने बिल्कुल सही आंसर दिया. It is your iron that will be displacing your copper. Very good. And Divisht is the fastest again, and Anshul is back on second. So we have Divisht, Anshul, Shubhank, Isro, Lavanya, Himanshu. Very good. Chalo, seventh question. Which of the following compounds of carbon does not consist of ions? Na2CO3, H2CO3, CHCl3, or CaC2? So which of the following compounds will not give you ions upon hydrolysis or upon dissociation? Very good. Because the CHCl3 is an organic compound covalently bonded. So chloroform is the compound, and this chloroform will not give you ions. Amazing. बहुत बढ़िया. And the fastest is Shubhank. Very good, Shubhank. And Divisht is leading. Then we have Anshul, Shubhank, Isro, Lavanya, and Himanshu. बहुत बढ़िया. Eighth question. Dilute acid does not produce carbon dioxide on being treated with marble, lime, baking soda, or limestone. Carefully read the question, carefully analyze all the options. Dilute acid will not produce carbon dioxide if it is treated with marble, lime, baking soda, or limestone. Which of these? Very good. So amazing answers. तो देखो, आपका एसिड जो है वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज करता है व्हेन इट रिएक्ट्स विद मेटल कार्बोनेट्स और मेटल बाइकार्बोनेट्स, राइट? योर मार्बल इज कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, लाइमस्टोन इज कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. मार्बल और लाइमस्टोन सेम है. बेकिंग सोडा इज योर, बेकिंग सोडा क्या होता है? NaHCO3, सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट. So that will also give you carbon dioxide when dilute acid reacts with it. Lime, on the other hand, is calcium oxide, and that will not be able to release carbon dioxide when dilute acid is poured over it. उस केस में हाइड्रोजन रिलीज होगा because your lime is metal oxide which will react like a base. उस केस में water होगा. ठीक है? चलिए, let's see who answered correctly. Anshul and Lavanya, amazing बच्चे. Very good. Anshul is the fastest and Lavanya is on third now. Amazing. So Divish is leading. Then we have Anshul, Lavanya, Shubhang, Isro, Himanshu. Very good and all the best. Hula hoop. Chaliye, ninth. Respiration is a kind of exothermic process, endothermic process, reversible or physical process. Very easy. Respiration is a kind of which of these processes? Exothermic, endothermic, reversible or physical? Very good. It is absolutely exothermic because your glucose breaks down with oxygen, giving you carbon dioxide, water, and some amount of heat. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया यार. Alright, so the fastest is Shubhang, and we have a lot of new joinees here. Very good. So we have, yes, Harshit, I saw you join in late. Koi baat nahi. So we have Shubhang the fastest, Devish the leader. Then we have Anshul, Lavanya, Shubhang, Himanshu, Isro, Harshit, Kanak, Tarun, Khushwaha. Remember the name, all right? Very good. Chalo. 10th question. Which of the following salt will give acidic solution when dissolved in water? So which of the salts will give you acidic solution when dissolved in water? NH4Cl, NaCl, Na2CO3 or CH3COONA. Which of these will give you an acidic solution? बताइए फटाफट. Very good. So it is going to be your NH4Cl because that salt is made up of a strong acid HCl and a weak base NH4OH. Amazing, bachcho. Very good. बहुत अच्छे. So we have all these correct answers. And we have Harshit the fastest. So Divish is leading. Then we have Lavanya on the second. Then we have Shubhang, Anshul, Himanshu, Isro, Harshit, Tarun, Kanak. Very good. Lavanya, not necessarily because soaps are usually longer chains of fatty acids. They won't have such a short chain, though it is an ester, but still, right? Chaliye, 11th question. Which of the following statements about graphite and diamond is true? Which of the statement is true about graphite and diamond? They have same crystal structure, same degree of hardness, same electrical conductivity or same chemical reactions. What is true about graphite and diamond? Very good. So बच्चे देखो crystal structure उनका same नहीं होता. One is a 3D structure diamond and on the other hand is graphite. Soapy slippery structure होता है काफी because there are hexagonal arrays arranged in layers. Right? Then they have the same degree of hardness. Nope. Your diamond is very, very hard, whereas graphite is very soft and slippery. They do not have the same electrical conductivity either because your graphite, it conducts, but the diamond doesn't. But the correct option here is that they undergo same chemical reactions because whenever you will write a reaction, you are going to represent it as carbon, right? So they will undergo their reactions as carbon only. So very good, 7 of you guys. So I have a new entry, Aisha. Aisha, the fastest here, very good. So we have Divish, Shubhang, Anshul, Lavanya, Himanshu, Isro, Harshit, Tarun, Kanak, and Aisha. Welcome, Aisha. Chale, 12th question. It is necessary to balance a chemical equation in order to satisfy the law of conservation of motion, momentum, energy और mass. कौन से लॉ में कौन सी चीज को कंजर्व करने के लिए? वेरी गुड यार, बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं लगा इस आंसर में, बहुत अच्छे. सो कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास, योर रिएक्टेंट्स मास मस्ट बी इक्वली बैलेंस्ड बाय द प्रोडक्ट्स मास. वेरी गुड, very good, all of you guys. And I show all the best for the next. Lavanya is the fastest. The leader is Divish. Then we have Shubham, Anshul, Lavanya, Himanshu, Isro, Harshit, Tarun, Kanak, and Aisha. Very good. Well played, you guys. Chaliye, 13th. Copper sulphate crystals, when heated strongly, lose their water of crystallization to give anhydrous salt accompanied by a change in color from blue to green, blue to red, blue to white, white to green. कौन सा कलर चेंज होता है कॉपर सल्फेट क्रिस्टल्स में व्हेन वंस द वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन इज रिमूव्ड? व्हाट विल बी द कलर? ब्लू टू ग्रीन, ब्लू टू रेड, ब्लू टू व्हाइट और व्हाइट टू ग्रीन? Very good. So 11 of you guys, बहुत सही answer. It's going to be blue to white. Your hydrated crystals are blue in color. Once they lose all the water of crystallization, they'll turn white. बहुत बढ़िया. And I see a new name, Anurodh. Very good. So we have Tarun Khushwaha and Divish, the fastest answerer. बहुत बढ़िया यार. Divish is leading. Then we have Shubhang, Anshul, Lavanya, Himanshu, Isro, Harshit, Tarun, Kanak, and Anurodh. Very good. 14th question. Which of the following remains same while moving down the group of the periodic table? So which property remains same when you go down the group? Atomic radius, metallic character, number of shells in the atom, or the valence electrons. So it is pretty easy. So क्या चीज बिल्कुल सेम रहेगी? Absolutely नीतू. 5 seconds to go. फटाफट. Lock in your answers. So it is going to be the valence electrons. Metallic character increases down the group. Because of the increase in size, the electron removal becomes easy, and that is why the metallic character increases. The valence electrons are the ones that remain the same. Asharfi, बच्चे आपको यहाँ नहीं दिख रहा है, मेंटी पे नहीं दिख रहा. And Fayaz, absolutely, it's D. Very good. Dipanshu, absolutely. Valence electrons are the one that will remain same when you go down the group. Very good. Chale, let's see who is the fastest here, and that is Shubhang. Very good, Shubhang. So we have Divish, Shubhang, Anshul, Lavanya, Himanshu, Isro, Harshit, Tarun, Kanak, and Anurodh. Very good. Chale, 15th question. The number of protons in an atom of an element A is 19. Then the number of electrons in its ion A plus is. Very carefully go through the question and then answer. The protons are 19. How many electrons will be there in A plus, a cation? 17, 18, 19 or 20? कितने electrons होंगे A के cation में? Yes, Fayaz. And it's going to be 18. Very good. चलिए बहुत बढ़िया. It is going to be 18. आंसर नो. Protons न्यूट्रल एलिमेंट में 19 है, तो न्यूट्रल एलिमेंट में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स भी 19 होंगे. A plus cation is formed when you lose an electron, right? So upon losing the electron, the number of electrons will become 18. Absolutely, it is going to be 18. 9 of you guys absolutely correct answer यार. चलिए देखते हैं किसने सही आंसर दिया. And I see one more new name, Vedant. Very good. And we have Himanshu the fastest. So we have Divish, Shubhang, Anshul, Himanshu, Lavanya, Isro, Harshit, Tarun, Kanak, and Vedant. Very good. 16. So we are halfway down. Half questions done, half to go. While cooking, if the bottom of the vessel is getting blackened on the outside, it means that the food is not cooked properly, completely. The fuel is wet, the fuel is burning completely, or the fuel is not burning completely. What do we mean, or what is the inference when you see a black deposition on the utensils? No need to wrong. Absolutely correct आंसर दिया है 7 बच्चों ने. Absolutely, the answer is D. Because the fuel is not burning completely, that is why it is leaving behind black deposition, which is known as soot. Right? So soot ban raha hai, and that is formed when your fuel is burnt incompletely. Very good, guys. And we have Harshit, the fastest answerer. बहुत बढ़िया. We have Divish, Anshul, Shubhang, Lavanya, Himanshu, Isro, Harshit, Tarun, Kanak, and Vedant. Very good, guys. Fayaz, it's not A. 17th question. An element reacts with oxygen to give a compound with a high melting point. This compound is also soluble in water. The element is likely to be iron, silicon, calcium, or carbon. बताइए, 10 seconds to go. Very good, Fayaz and Neetu. Amazing. So yes, the answer is going to be calcium. So we have to give the compound which is an ionic in nature. So it is going to be calcium and it is soluble as well. बहुत बढ़िया. Very good, guys. Dipanshu, no, it's not gonna be iron. Because iron oxide is not soluble in water. So very good, Himanshu, the fastest answerer. We have the topper, Devish, then we have Anshul, Shubhang, Lavanya, Himanshu, Isro, Harshit, Tarun, Kanak, and Vedant. Very good. Chale, 18th. How many periods and groups are present in the periodic table? How many periods and groups in the periodic table? This is, come on, the easiest question. You have how many groups and periods in your modern periodic table? Very good. So it is 7 periods and 18 groups. Not 8 groups, it's 18 groups. Very good. Absolutely, absolutely. Yes. Dipanshu, Fayaz, Neetu, Mandeep. बहुत बढ़िया यार. Fastest is Himanshu and Divish is still leading. Very good. चलिए, 19th question. What happens to the electropositive character of elements on moving from left to right in the periodic table? The electropositive character in a period. Very good. So it decreases because your elements become more and more electronegative. They have the tendency to gain electrons rather than losing them, right? So the character, the property is going to decrease. Very good. The answer is A. Absolutely correct. So Shubhang is the fastest. The Devisht is leading. So Devisht, Anshul, Lavanya, Shubhang, homogeneous, Himanshu, Harshit, Isro, Tarun, Vedant, and Kanak. Very good. 20th. ADYT, bache, I have completed the organic chemistry which is there as per your reduced syllabus. Okay, so we have done till alkane, alkene and alkynes. Since आपका ethanol and ethanoic acid हट गया था, so that is not covered. It is covered according to the syllabus. Sorry. So in electrolytic refining, the cathode is made up of pure metal, impure metal, alloy or metal oxide. What is happening in the electrolytic refining? Very good, guys. It's pure metal. Since the electrode you're talking about is cathode, cathode का मतलब it will attract cation. और cation कौन बनाता है? Metals, right? The pure metals will be forming your cations. Very good. सभी ने बिल्कुल सही आंसर दिया. Very good, guys. And the fastest is Himanshu again. बहुत अच्छे. So we have Divisht, Anshul, Lavanya, Shubhang, Himanshu, Harshit, Isro, Tarun, Vedant and Tanak. Very good. 21st. The last 10 questions to go. Up to which element the law of octaves was found applicable? Oxygen, cobalt, potassium or calcium? किस एलिमेंट तक लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेव्स वाज फाउंड टू बी एप्लीकेबल? ऑक्सीजन, कोबाल्ट, पोटेशियम और कैल्शियम? वेरी गुड नीतू एंड मनदीप, बहुत बढ़िया. So the law of octaves was found applicable only and only till calcium. Yes, Dipanshu, absolutely. Yeah. It was applicable only and only till calcium. उसके बाद properties could not match. ADYT, it's in there in the ICSE crash course playlist. You search it with Selena Organic Chemistry, you'll get it. So Selena Organic Chemistry Part 1, Part 2, Part 3 by Devyani Gautam, you'll get it. Right? So we have Shubhang and Himanshu, the fastest answerer. Divisht is still leading, holding on to the position right. Very good. So we have Divisht, Anshul, Lavanya, Shubhang, Himanshu, Isro, Harshit, Tarun, Vedant, Anirudh. Very good, guys. नीतू, नेक्स्ट मेंटी बता दी जाएगी बच्चे. अभी प्लान नहीं है, अभी नया चैप्टर शुरू करेंगे, नया कोर्स शुरू करेंगे. उसके बाद वीकेंड्स पे आपके मेंटीज चलते रहेंगे. चलो, C3H8 belongs to the homologous series of alkenes, alkynes, alkanes or cycloalkanes. C3H8 belongs to the homologous series of which of the following? Lavanya, no yaar. I don't think that there are these ICSE textbooks online. Although I had that, there is a PDF link, however, of Selena book. So if you guys can find it, go Google search for Selena PDF. Might be you can get it. Very good. C3H8 belongs to your alkanes. So 11 of you guys absolutely correct. So we have all of you guys correct answerers. बहुत बढ़िया. Himanshu fastest. Very good, Himanshu. Divisht is leading. Amazing. 23rd question. Which of the following oxides of iron would be obtained on prolonged reaction of iron with steam? कौन सा ऑक्साइड बनेगा आयरन का when your iron is kept for a longer period of time in steam? Which oxide? FeO, Fe3O4, Fe2O3 या फिर Fe2O3 and Fe2O4? Very good, Neetu. बताइए, 5 seconds to go. So the answer is Fe3O4. What happens is that this is the oxide wherein your iron is present in both of its oxidation states, +2 as well as +3. So the oxide it forms by +2 is FeO. The oxide formed by +3 is Fe2O3. Add these up, you're gonna get Fe3O4. So this is the oxide of iron that is there. Amazing. So we have the four answers here. Divish, Anshul, Lavanya and Himanshu. Bahut badhiya. Himanshu is the fastest again. Very well done, Himanshu. So we have Divish leading. Then we have Anshul, Lavanya, Himanshu, Shubhang, Isro, Harshit, Arun, Vedant and Anurudh. Bahut badhiya hai. Chaliye, 24th. Which of the following will undergo addition reactions? Alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, or both B and C? Absolutely, Ishika. That's what I was talking about. If you add up both of these oxides, you're gonna get Fe3O4. तो बताइए कौन से इनमें से will undergo addition reactions? Alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, or both B and C? Very good. Yes, Neetu and Ishika. बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. So 9 of you guys with absolutely correct answers. Unsaturated compounds undergo addition reactions. So both of the unsaturated ones, your alkenes as well as your alkynes. Very good. So we have the fastest is Himanshu. Yes, absolutely, Shika. So we have Devish, then we have Anshul, Lavanya, Himanshu, Shubhang, Isro, Harshit, Tarun, Vedant and Anurudh. Very good. Chaliye. 25th question. The properties of Eka aluminium predicted by Mendeleev are the same as the properties of later discovered element, which is germanium, silicon, gallium, or scandium. Eka aluminium was later found out to be which one? Germanium, silicon, gallium, or scandium? Hi Rohan, what's up? Absolutely correct, Ishika. So the correct answer to this one is gallium. Alright, so germanium was Eka boron. Okay? Sorry, Eka silicon was germanium. Eka aluminium was gallium. The only two people with absolutely correct answer. बहुत अच्छे. And it is Divish and Lavanya. Very good, yeah. So Lavanya is the fastest and on second position now. And we have Divish who is leading. So we have Divish, Lavanya, Anshul, Himanshu, Shubhang, Isro, Harshit, Tarun, Vedant and Anurudh. So carefully please. Chalo. 26th. Last 5 questions. Mark your places, everybody. Zinc on reaction with nitric acid gives a gas that. Yes, Ishika, they got confused in the G, gallium and germanium. चलिए बताइए which will be released? What will happen when zinc reacts with nitric acid? Five seconds, फटाफट. Absolutely none of these. Zinc on reaction with nitric acid. Nitric acid is a special case. सिर्फ और सिर्फ मैंगनीज और मैग्नीशियम ही हाइड्रोजन गैस इवॉल्व कर पाते हैं, बाकी एलिमेंट्स नहीं, बाकी मेटल्स नहीं. The answer is none of these. And the correct answers are Anshul, Shubhang and Isro. Very good. And Shubhang is the fastest. And on fourth now. बहुत बढ़िया. HCl is acidic. Acha, NO2 you're asking. NO2 is acidic, but what happens is that it is not heavier than air. Right? Yes, absolutely. Lavanya, nitrogen dioxide is not heavier than air. So that is why it was specified there. So Shubhank is the fastest and Divisht is still leading. 27th. Which of the following non-metal is lustrous? Very easy. Sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen or iodine. Which of the following non-metal is lustrous? Yes, perfect, Ishika. Very good. बताइए चलिए फटाफट. 10 more seconds to go. Absolutely, Dipanshu. Very good. तो स्क्रिप्ट स्टूडियोज एब्सोल्युटली यार. तो 8 बच्चों ने बिल्कुल सही आंसर दिया आयोडीन. Yes, Ishika, absolutely. So we have Himanshu, the fastest answerer, and Divish is still leading. So we have Divish, Lavanya, Anshul, Shubhang, Himanshu, Isro, Harshit, Tarun, Vedant, and Anurudh. बहुत बढ़िया यार. 28th. In terms of acidic strength, which one of the following is in the correct increasing order? So which is least to most acidic? Amongst water, acetic acid and hydrochloric acid, सबसे कम से सबसे ज्यादा एसिडिक कौन है? वेरी गुड. सो 8 बच्चों ने बिल्कुल सही आंसर दिया. वाटर न्यूट्रल, देन वी हैव एसिटिक एसिड, अ माइल्ड एसिड, एंड हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड द मोस्ट एसिड. Absolutely, Ishika, Arpita, and Dipanshu. The answer is A. Very good. All right, so we have Lavanya, the fastest. Divish is still leading. Then we have Anshul, Shubhang, Himanshu, Isro, Harshit, Vedant, Tarun, and Anurudh. बहुत बढ़िया यार. चलिए, second last question now. Brine is an. What is brine? Aqueous solution of NaOH, NaCl, KOH, KCl. किसका aqueous solution है brine? Aqueous solution of NaOH, NaCl, KOH or KCl? Absolutely, Ishika. So, your brine is an aqueous solution of which salt? Lavanya, yes. Dipanshu, absolutely. 7 of you guys with absolutely correct answer. NaCl का aqueous form होता है brine. बहुत amazing. Very good, all of you. And Lavanya is the fastest. Yes, Ishika, absolutely. So we have Divish leading, then we have Lavanya, Anshul, Shubhang, Himanshu, Isro, Vedant, Harshit, Tarun and Anurudh. बहुत अच्छे. Last question. All the best. Tooth enamel is made up of. Very easy question. कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड, फॉस्फेट, कार्बोनेट या फॉस्फोरस. किससे बना होता है आपका टूथ एनेमल? 20 seconds, बट आई गेस उससे पहले हो जाना चाहिए. बताइए जल्दी. And the answer is calcium phosphate. Very good. So calcium phosphate is the absolutely correct answer. Absolutely, Ishika and Dipanshu. बहुत अच्छे. So 7 बच्चों ने सही आंसर दिया हमें. Let us see what is the leaderboard like. Very good. So we have Divish, Lavanya, Anshul, Shubhang, Isro, and Anurudh. Divish has won. Very good, Divish. Yes, Ishika, absolutely. So very well done, Divish. Congratulations. Amazing. And the ones who have competed also very well played. बहुत बढ़िया. So amazing performances by you guys. Now we will meet and the April schedule will be. Yes, absolutely, Dipanshu. In April, we will be discussing a lot of PYQs. We will be solving sample papers together. How are the questions to be written? What are the points that should not be missed? ये सब करेंगे हम अप्रैल में. And also, like my promise, weekends में कोई एक दिन पे जरूर और जरूर मेंटी क्विजेस होती रहेंगी. ठीक है? and there will be a lot of surprise mentees for you guys. So watch out for this space. And for that, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. फटाफट से subscribe कीजिए, hit on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we are here. Ishika, all the best. You're definitely gonna do well. चलिए, so मिलते हैं अब in the next month with some amazing new things to follow, है ना? चलो, नहीं इशिका तुम बिल्कुल prepared हो यार. It's pretty great. And you guys do not forget to subscribe to Unacademy because there is a lot of things, lot of good things waiting for you, right? And do use the referral code Devyani because that's gonna get you discounts. Anshul, next class is on 3rd of April with possibly some of the questionnaires जो आपके ICSE के बोर्ड्स के लिए, ठीक है? ICSE का next class will be around 3rd April, ठीक है? चलो अब मिलते हैं. Till then, take care, be safe and enjoy. पढ़िए अच्छा. कोई भी किसी भी relevant doubt के लिए आप लोग किसी भी क्लास में पूछ सकते हो. April, revise your curriculum very amazingly, है ना? Thanks. Thank you, Ishika. Have a great one. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.